Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I recently used TCP/dump to capture some packets and ran into an interesting issue that I want to share with you. I wanted to run the command for 5 seconds and then exit. And this is typically what happens not with just this command, but with any commands that you run, especially as a systems administrator. So the first thing we do is you run the command, and I will copy and paste it here. You execute the command until the amount of time you want to run it for lapses, and then you cancel it with Ctrl-C. And this works, and it's a pretty good solution. But then I started thinking, well, what if I wanted to run this command, or any command, for 5 minutes, 5 hours, or even 5 days? Well, no one's going to want to babysit for that long. So there's actually a command that provides this solution. So what you do is, you take any command that you want to run, and then you pre-append it with timeout, then the number of seconds, we'll say 5. Now there's actually an optional suffix that you can add, but before I get to that, we'll hit enter. It'll run the command, and then 5 seconds, by default, it'll exit. So the optional suffixes are S, which is the default, but you can also put M for minutes, H for hours, and D for days. So the command will run for the amount of time that you specified. Then when that certain amount of time lapses, what it'll actually do is it'll actually send a signal to this entire command. And the signal that it sends by default is the terminate signal, also known as the sigterm signal. There you have it. If there's any type of command that you need to run for an extended amount of time, but you don't want to babysit, try using timeout and let me know what you think. Thank you, and have a great day.